lecture. Today's lecture is from question 3. Find the HCF of the following by doing method. The question is x cube plus 3x squared minus 16x plus 12, and second expression is x cube plus x squared minus 10x plus 8. We have to find the HCF of the following by doing method. One of the value we have to put in the inner term in the square root. You can see here. So we have to multiply it. Okay. Here you can see that x cube and x cube. We have to note the first term. Okay. We have to note the first term. Uh, Here first term is x cube, and the other side here is also x cube. Okay. Hope you may see this. What will be the multiplier? Then we may get x cube. What should be multiplied to x cube? We may get x cube. हम इस फर्स्ट टर्म से कौन सी वैल्यू को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अगेन हमारे पास एक्स क्यूब ही आए. अगर इसको वन टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करें, if we multiply this term by 1, then we will get the same value. Okay, if we multiply this term by 1, we will get the same value like x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8. Okay, by changing the sign, as you can this see that x cube and minus x cube, that is opposite sign, this will cut. Okay, and 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2x square, and minus 16 plus 10, minus 16 plus 10, that is equal to minus 6x. Okay, minus 6x, and 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. So you can see that 2 is common here. If we are taking common 2 is common, then remaining will be x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, 2 is common, remaining will be x square minus 3x plus 2. Uh, in next step, we will ignore these two, and we will take out this x square minus 3x plus 2, and we will put in the inside of the bracket by ignoring 2. Okay, as I told you, by ignoring 2 and take this outside of the square root, x square minus 3x plus 2, and this term x cube plus x square minus 10x, we will take inside of the root, square root. Okay, x square minus 3x plus 2, and here x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8. What should we multiply to x square? Then we may get x cube. Okay, here is x square and here is x cube. We will multiply this term by x. Okay, if we here is x bar 2 and here is x bar 3. We have we need one more x bar 1 to get this x cube. Okay, so we multiply this term by x. If we multiply this term by x, if we multiply this term by x, then we may get x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x. Okay, we multiply x to all the terms. X cube minus 3x squared plus 2. Okay, if we multiply this term by x, we may get x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x. By changing sign, minus, plus and minus. X cube will cut 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. 10, minus 10 or minus 2, that is equal to 12. And here is plus 8, that will be same as. Okay, here is x square and here is 4x square. What should we multiply to get 4x square? Here is x square and here is 4x. We have to find. We have to get 4x square. Then we should multiply 4 to all the terms. ठीक है? We should multiply to 4 to all the terms. That will be equal to 4x square. 4 3 is 12x. 4 2 is 8. By changing sign, minus 4x square plus 12x and plus 8. By changing sign, you can see that all are opposite and remainder will be 0. Okay, as remainder is 0, this this term is called HCF of the given question. Hope you may understand this. If you have any question related to today's lecture, then you may ask. Okay. You may note down if you have any question related to today's lecture. Okay, okay. Our next question is second question. X power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 3. And second term is 5x cube uh, plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6. Okay. So see here, uh, which of the following term has the highest power? We will put this outside. Okay. As you know that x power 4 plus x cube and minus 2x square plus x minus 3 is greater value as compared to 5x cube plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6. Okay. So we have to, you can see that we have to equal their coefficient. Okay. Furkan, what kind of issue do you have? Kindly text me. I will see you. Okay. Raise your lower your hand kindly. Okay, beta. Here is we have to equal their quotient. In 5x cube there we have coefficient 5, but uh, with x power 4 there is coefficient 1. So to equal their coefficient we will multiply x power 4 this value by 5. We will multiply this value by 5. uh, Here you can see that multiplying by 5, then 5x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 5 to the 10x square plus 5x minus 5 to the 15. Here you can see that their coefficients are equal. Here is 5x cube and here is 5x power 4. So what should we multiply to get 5x power 4? Here is 5x cube and here is 5x power 4. We will multiply this by x. We will multiply this by x to all the term, that will be equal to 5x power 4, 3x square, x cube minus 17x square plus 6x. By changing sign, what that will cut 5x cube minus 5x cube, that will come 5 minus 3 equal to 2x cube and 17 minus 10 that is equal to 7x square and 5 minus 6 that is equal to minus x minus 15 will be left as it is. As you can see that the remaining answer is 2x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 15. Again, you can see that here is the coefficient is not equal, is smaller than as compared to the outer side. Okay, the coefficient here, the coefficient is 2, that is not multiplier of 5. Here you can see that is 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. and in the inner side we have 2x cube. That is not the multiplier of 5. Again we multiply that equation, this one. Again we multiply this by 5 to get the multiplier of 5. Okay, 2x cube plus 7x square minus 5x minus 15 multiplying by 5. 5 to the 10x cube minus plus 7 5 to 35x square minus 5 1 the 5x minus 5 15 the 75. Okay, now you can see that here is 10x cube and in the previous side there is 5x cube. What should we multiply? Okay, what should we multiply to get 10x cube? Here is 5x cube and in the inner side here is there is 10x cube. We should multiply by 2. Okay, we should multiply by 2, then we may get 10x cube. If we multiply 5x cube by 2, then 2 5 the 10x cube, 2 3 the 6x square minus 2 17 the 34x plus 6 to the 12. Okay, we should multiply by 2. If we multiply by 2, then 10x cube plus 35x square minus 5x minus sorry 10x cube plus 6x square minus 34x plus 12. By changing sign, that will cut 10x cube will cut 35 minus 6, that is equal to 29. 5 minus 5 minus 5 plus 34 equal to plus 29 minus 75 minus 12, that is equal to minus 87. Okay, by taking common 29, then remaining will be x square minus x plus 3. Now here we may ignore 29. If we ignore this 29, then you can also say that that is smaller as compared to 5x cube. So we put this outside, x square plus x minus 3, and we put this value inside of the bracket, x 5x cube plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6. Okay, here you can see that here is x cube and x square, and here is x cube. We should multiply by x. There is coefficient 1 and there is coefficient 5. We should multiply by 5x to get 5x cube. Okay, if we multiply this term by 5x, then 5x cube, 5 1 is 5x square, 5 3 is 15x. Okay, 5x cube plus 5x square minus 15x. By changing sign, that will cut, remaining will be 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 2, and minus 17 plus 15, that is equal to minus 2x, minus 6 will be left as it is. Here is x square and here is minus 2x square. We should multiply by minus 2, okay, to get minus 2x square. Okay, minus 2 x square, we multiply this term by minus 2, minus 2x square minus 2x minus 2 3 are 6, minus minus plus 6. Okay, minus 2x square minus 2x plus 6, that will, that all the have opposite sign, then that will cut, will be remainder will be 0. So here the HCF is x square plus x minus 3. Okay beta, hope you may understand this. Let's move to the next question, question 3. Question 3 is question 3 is 2x power 5 minus 4x power 4 minus 6x and x power 5 plus 2 plus x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square. Here you can see that we may take common from first term and also from second term. In first term they have 2x common. 2x power 5 minus 4x power 4 minus 6x, that is equal to 2x, taking common 2x, then remaining will be x power 4 minus 2x power 3 minus 3. Okay. In next term here you can see that x square is common. X square is common, then taking x square common, remaining will be x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 3. As you can note down here, in this case, HCF of 2x and x square is x. Here you can see that in both terms here x 2x and in this here x square. Okay, 2x and x square. So x is common. So in this x is x here. Okay. Now we find the HCF of x power 4 minus 2x square minus 3 and x cube plus x square minus 3x minus 3. Okay, beta, here you can see that by we have to arrange the values as compared to their power. um, X power 4 minus 2x cube minus 3. Okay, I left this space. I left this blank space for uh, spacing the value of x cube and x. Okay, that's why I left this place. Here is x cube and here is x power 4. So what should multiply by this value to get x power 4? Here is x cube, so we multiply by x. Okay, we multiply by x, then we may get x power 4. We multiply by x to all the terms, x into x, x cube, x into x, x into x cube, that is equal to x power 4, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 3x. X power 4 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. By changing sign, this will cut, x power 4, x power 4 will cut, minus 2x minus x cube, that is equal to minus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x and minus 3. Okay, here you can see that here is x cube and here is minus 3x cube. So we should multiply by minus 3 to get this minus 3x cube. Minus 3x cube minus 3x square minus 3 3 is a 9. That will change into plus 9x and minus minus plus 3 3 is a 9. By changing sign, that will cut, 3x cube will cut, 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, 3 minus 9 is equal to 6, minus 3 minus 9 is equal to 12. Here you can see that 6 is common. By taking 6 common, remaining will be x square minus x minus 2. Here we may ignore 6, then x square minus 6x minus 2. Taking the outer terms to the inner side, x cube minus x minus 3x minus 3. Okay, so here you can see that x square and here is x cube. So we multiply this by x to all the terms, x square into x, that is equal to x cube minus x square minus 2x. By changing sign, x cube minus x cube will cut, and x square plus x square, that is equal to plus 2x square minus 3 and plus 2x, that is equal to minus x and minus 3. If we multiply this by 2, here you can see that the coefficient is 2. Okay, multiply this by 2, then 2 into x square, 2x square minus 2x minus 2 to the whole. By changing sign, that will cut, 2 minus x, that is equal to x, 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Putting x plus 1 to the outside and the greater value to the inner side. X plus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. Here is x square and here is x. We should multiply by x. Then we may get x square plus x. By changing sign, that will cut x square minus x square, and minus x is equal to minus 2x, and minus 2 will be left as it is. We will multiply this term by minus 2, then we may get minus 2x minus 2. By changing sign, that will cut, remainder will be 0. So here HCF is x plus 1. HCF is h plus 1. As you know down that in previous slide, 2x square and x was common, and here HCF also is x plus 1. So we multiply this x into x square, x into 1, x square plus 1. Okay, HCF is x plus 1. Next question is find the LCM of the following expression by this is same like question number 1. We have to find the LCM. LCM is the product of common factor and non-common factor. The definition of LCM is that is the product of common factor and non-common factor. Okay, uh, here 39x power 7 y cube and z you can uh, write down as 3 into 13 into x power 7 y cube and z. You can write 91 as 13 into 7 x power 5 y power 6 and z power 7. LCM of this term will be as you can see that uh, 3 13 is repeated in both terms. Okay, so we have to write it only one time. ठीक है, जो दो दफ़ा रिपीट होगा उसे एक दफ़ा ही लिखना है, जो कॉमन होगा उसे एक दफ़ा लिखना है, बाकी जो रिमेनिंग बच जाएगा उसे एज इट इज़ लिख देना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं 13 कॉमन है, 13 इज कॉमन, सो यू हैव टू राइट इट one once time. Remaining will be 3 into 7, 3 into 7 into 13. Here you can see that the greater power of x is x power 7, so LCM is x power 7. The greater power of y is y power 6, and the greater power of z is equal to y power z power 7. So LCM is 3 7s are 21, 21 13s are 273, x power 7, y power 6, and z power 7. In next question, you can see that here 102 xy square xy square z, 85 x square yz, and 187 xyz square. You can write 102 as 20 multiply 3 multiply 17 x y square z. And you can write 85 x square yz as 5 multiply 17 multiply x square yz. You can write 187 as 11 into 17 x y z square. Okay. Here you can see that 17 is common. 17 is common, repeated in all the term. So you have to write it only one time. Okay, 17, you have to write it only one time, and the remaining will also be written 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. Okay, you can 2 into 3 into 5 into 11 multiply 17. As you can see that here is the greater power of x is x square, the greater power of y is y square, the greater power of z is z square. 2 multiply 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30, 13, 30, 11 multiply 7, that is equal to 5610 into x square, y square, z square. Okay, beta, that is your today's lecture. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may ask.